Arlene, who is this?
That's
Who's this
Mrs.
here?
Cheese.
No, Arlene. Take the cheese and go.
Trust me. You don't trust me by now?
I trust you, but I am concerned. I have never in my life, my 29 years of life, seen cheese and macaroni salad. My foodie family, today's special side dish is macaroni salad. So let's get mixing. Macaroni salad. Easy. Peasy.
Very
Lemon
easy.
squeezy.
One bowl, throw everything in, mix it up.
And eat. But Arlene, I am seeing some things on this counter that are concerning me for several reasons.
Express your concerns.
Okay. Concern number one, who is this? No, guys, who is this?
That's Mr. Garlic Sauce.
Okay, garlic sauce and macaroni salad. That's fine, I could go along. Arlene, who is this?
That's
Who's
Mrs.
this here?
Cheese.
No, Arlene, take the cheese and go.
Trust me. You don't trust me by now?
I trust you, but I am concerned. I have never in my life, my 29 years of life, seen cheese and macaroni salad. And I'm sorry to friends at home if you put cheese in your macaroni salad, amazing, but I've never seen it. I've
I
never
put
seen
cheese
it.
all the time.
Is this a thing or is this an Arlene thing?
I'm not sure, to be honest. I just know I just put it.
Okay, fine.
Right,
I'm going
so
with you.
we have our pasta or macaroni.
Easy. Elbows.
I like to use elbows.
I love to use elbows as
I
well.
like to
I
use
feel like it
elbows,
makes
especially
sense.
for this recipe. I like elbows.
That or the spiral ones, like the twists. I
That
like
is
those
good too, but I prefer the elbows for the salad.
Large elbows it is, no problem.
Right, so there are directions on the pack, so you can use those directions, but you don't
Okay.
want it to be soft, of course. You want a nice kind of bouncy,
Okay, sure.
as they say, al dente.
Yes, yes, yes. Not mushy.
Right, so we're basically mixing in everything. So I have some mayo.
Got it. So you just need me to throw things in, basically.
Sure.
Here's your
Pass
special
A
garlic
little garlic
sauce.
sauce. Now this you can personalize. If you make your own garlic sauce, by all means use that.
Okay,
If
sure.
you do store-bought,
Sure, sure, sure.
use that as well.
Or don't use it at all. I mean, it's up to you. But we are going with Arlene on this one. I'm trusting the
Carrots,
process.
some corn. Of course, the veggies are interchangeable as well.
Yes.
If you want to get creative, put some of the, you're real ducking that cheese, boy. You're real leave the whole cheese.
I was hoping you didn't notice. Am I going in with all of this?
Yes, go ahead. Fresh parsley. I will start to do my job and mix.
You were telling the people about optional veggies before we get to this
In
cheese.
this recipe, I would say that the cheese is mandatory.
The cheese is mandatory.
If you want to do it my way, the only thing that's optional is how much cheese.
Is that enough cheese for you?
No.
Because I have no idea.
Put how much cheese?
I cannot say that I have any idea on this one, guys. How much is enough cheese
How much is
in
enough?
macaroni salad? This is mac and cheese salad. Say that.
I guess you could say that.
Say that. This is mac and cheese salad.
I
Correct
guess
it.
you can say that. And don't when you do the cheese, make sure it's a nice shredded.
Shredded,
Yes.
okay,
I
sure.
like how the bits work with that.
Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha,
And we
gotcha.
mix. Now, because I put cheese in here, I don't always put salt. I do
Okay.
put salt to taste if I need it.
Okay. But we certainly put black pepper.
Yes. Something about cheese and black pepper is nice for me.
Well, at this point, this is a savory macaroni salad. I like my macaroni salad with sugar, so I like it a little sweeter.
A little sweet.
But since we're going cheese and sugar cannot go together, in my humble opinion.
Sometimes it can go together, but not today.
Not at this time. We're not going to
today.
risk it.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste a little to see
Sure.
if we need some salt.
Sure. How you feel?
You can take a little sprinkle and a
Little
little
sprinkle?
more black pepper.
A little sprinkle. Is that the sprinkle you mean? Or you want a heavy sprinkle?
A little more because it's a big bowl.
I rather
give
go
me some.
light.
Yes, you can add salt, but you can't take it out.
You cannot. You cannot.
And I like a lot of black pepper.
Okay.
So I always put a little black pepper there.
Okay.
And this is our macaroni salad.
And
Chill,
mac and cheese salad. Please stop telling the folks lies. Stop.
chill, and serve.
Okay.
It's a nice little barbecue chicken and some rice or whatever it is.
A nice little barbecue fish. Oh no, I was thinking about Slab of fish, wow. Again, Arlene, we are here unprepared with nothing to go with our side, but that's okay.
Hold on to your spoon.
Thank you. And this was a one and done, easy peasy. This bowl
Always
is
you can
for
make this ahead of time if you're doing like a party or
Of course,
something.
of course.
And just keep it in the fridge.
Well, my friends.
Good luck and enjoy.
No, everything you make for me is amazing. So I don't doubt you. I'm just
Make sure the same way it is. Look for every piece of everything.
Yeah,
Make sure
I look
find
in.
the cheese inside
I look
there.
in to make sure I have some shredded cheese in here, which I do.
Okay.
Okay.
It could work.
Okay. It could work. It's different. Definitely salty. Not over salty. What I should say savory.
Yeah.
Those are the notes for sure. I rarely feel like mac and cheese. I can't stop calling it a mac and cheese salad, but it is good. I love the garlic sauce taste too. That garlic is a nice flavor in there. Yeah.
So
you could do something, you know. They could put you in a kitchen and keep it in.
Oh gosh,
you're real
no.
good.
Real people just threaten to just keep me in the kitchen. Sometimes I just need a little sun, right? I can't just stay inside and cook all day.
You know what you're doing, my friend.
Now I want you to imagine this savory macaroni salad with a spicy barbecue something.
Why are you doing this to me? Because you did not bring a spicy barbecue something. We didn't make a spicy barbecue something, so now we have nothing to go with it.
When I come back next time.
Oh, Arlene is coming back, guys, to make us a spicy barbecue something, so be sure to stay tuned. Of course, I need to hear from y'all. How y'all feel about this cheese? Please, someone guide me. If you already put cheese in your macaroni salad, let us know. If you don't and you're afraid to try it, let us know. If you've tried it and you love it, please let us know. Thank you always, my friend.
Always a pleasure.
Easy peasy and always unique. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.